to Near East and North Africa region, I would like to give the floor to Mr. Ahmed Sorani, General Coordinator of the Gaza Urban Agriculture Platform, UPAP. Mr. Ahmed, you have 8 minutes to answer also these questions around the challenges, the achievements, and the key priorities in the next steps to the UNDFF. The floor is yours.
Do you hear me well?
We hear very well.
Okay, thank you so much. I do believe that we have a lot of some good commonalities among the different regions, and we all agree that about the importance of family farming as an important strategy to enhance the resilience and sustainability of family farmers in different parts of the world. In the Near East and the North Africa region, I'm going to reflect first on the achievements and some challenges, starting with the progress towards the UNDFF implementation in the MENA region, where the regional action plan for family farming has been facilitated by FAO and IFAD with participation of key regional actors to contextualize the UNDFF global action plan to respond to regional challenges. The plan was validated and finalized. The country studies and assessments also on small-scale family farming has shown the poor capacities of the partner organization and difficult access to resources and finance. Low visibility of farmers, notably women, has been also shown and reflected in these studies. FAO regional initiative on small-scale family farming, offering support to develop policy dialogue and to provide capacity development to farmers' organizations as well. An effort also has been made in terms of mapping of the existing institutional policy and legal frameworks, where UNIMED works on project entitled Mapping of Existing Set of Policy and Legal Frameworks towards Family Farming in the MENA region. It's important actually to have a specific legal definitions as key for policies to protect family farming and fill the gap with agribusiness, as well as promoting the institutional cooperation, networking, and the protection of vulnerable groups. Regarding the facilitate development of the national family farming plans in some regional countries, where the participative policy dialogues at local, national level were also facilitated and shared with different key actors. And in this regard, it's important to highlight the experience in Tunisia, where a national plan on family farming has been developed and facilitated, as well as the efforts of GUBAB in Palestine, where the leading national awareness campaigns on family farming in cooperation with key actors. The same happened in some regional countries in this regard. FAO also keep informing the national and regional actors about the regional family farming action plan and making more awareness through key regional workshops in this regard. MENA region actors believes that family farming is not just an economic activity. There are also other multidimensional social and cultural aspects, factors that affect performances at different levels. This needs to be considered actually in protracted crisis conditions like the situation in our region. The inclusion, gender, rights, advocacy, resilience, the triple nexus, community-led family farming action in crisis approaches are needed to be highlighted, promoted, and discussed at different levels and policy levels as well. A comprehensiveness and inclusiveness, avoiding ready-made solution. That's also a key important issue that needs to be considered at the national and regional forums and networks for women entrepreneurs and city food system actors networks also is still a challenge at the regional and national level that needs also to be supported and facilitated. Valorizing family farmers' traditional products to support livelihoods resilience is a key issue also. In pastoral areas, the processing of livestock by products an essential asset for household, for security, in situations of vulnerability to shocks. Strengthen the socioeconomic resilience of vulnerable pastoralists in rural and peri-urban areas is key. And I think we do believe in our region that there is an important need to build on existing positive coping strategies and mechanisms developed by the local family farming communities. Digital tools have a huge role to play in supporting farmers' livelihood, capacity sharing, incomes, and implementing sustainable food production capacities and marketing. Farmers have a deep knowledge of local conditions, and it is key to build on and increase this knowledge to help coping with unexpected crises in the region. When it comes to the key priorities and recommendations that has been reflected and discussed or shared at the regional level in the NENA region, hopefully this will be considered in the future of the UNDFF implementation in the MENA region. The first point is or priority is support interventions focused on granting women and youth access to resources and land to address structural vulnerabilities, protecting land tenure and land rights, and addressing the lack of social protection in rural, urban, and peri-urban areas for family farmers to build resilience to crisis. The second priority is address the need of more financial support by using mechanisms put in place to the framework of the UNDFF mobilized resources by linking the gap to different funding opportunities. The focus on local dimensions of family farming is key to enhance resilience strategies in crisis situations. Defining family farming at the regional level and within different national contexts is first step to elaborate tailored solutions and policies. To effectively implement the UNDFF in time of crisis, that is key. It is recommendable the development of process of policy integration with the CFS voluntary guidelines on the responsible governance of tenure of land, fisheries, forests in the context of national food security and the framework for action for food security and nutrition in protracted crisis area, the CFS-FFA. Encourage and support regional participatory capacity sharing and policy influencing spaces where family farming platforms, networks, and family farming community-led actions in crisis needs to be supported and facilitated. We also highlight the importance of facilitating the participatory capacity sharing from country to country, from region to region, as well as at the global level. My last point regarding our priorities in our region is the importance of integration and inclusion of a triple nexus approach in the family farming action plans and the strategies where humanitarian and development and conflict transformation aspects or pillars are well considered and integrated while enhancing the resilience of the family farming communities in crisis and vulnerable situations. Hopefully also that the agroecology will be also considered among all of these priorities and conversations happening at the national, regional, and the global policies. Thank you so much, dears, and I wish you all the best and success from Palestine and the region. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Ahmed. It is very, very important issues you raised in this discussion, and I think we will move in a good way to the next steps in the implementation of the decision. Now,